Hello, everyone. This is in continuation to various topics what we were discussing in operations management. The next topic is just-in-time, JIT. The specific goal of just-in-time manufacturing is to provide the right quality level at the right place. Customer demand always determines what is right. JIT tries to build only what internal and external customers want and when they want it. So we can understand from this that JIT manufacturing is a production strategy that aims to produce and deliver products just in time to meet the customer demand. And the main objective of JIT is to provide the right quality product at the right place and at the right time as determined by customer demand. More focused objectives of JIT: produce only the products, either goods or services, that customers want. Produce products only as quickly as customers want to use them. Produce products with perfect quality. Produce in the minimum possible lead times. Produce products with features that customers want and no others. Produce with no waste of labor, materials, or equipment. Designate a purpose for every movement to leave zero idle inventory. Produce with methods that reinforce the occupational development of workers. So from these objectives, we can say these are all specific objectives of JIT, where the first one is only produce products that meet customer demand. That is what it is. Second one is produce products just in time to meet customer demand. Perfect quality you have to give means produce products with zero defects. Maintaining a minimum lead time means produce products in the shortest possible time. And then customer specific features means only include features that the customers want. Zero wastage you have to focus, in the sense eliminate waste of labor, materials, and equipment. Development of workers means use that methods which promote worker skills and development. So we can say in simple terms, JIT manufacturing aims to produce only what customers want, produce it just in time, ensure perfect quality, minimize waste and lead time, focus on customer specific features, promote worker development. So these are the focused objectives. So some of the activities of JIT manufacturing are: first one, inventory reduction. JIT is a system for reducing inventory levels at all stages of production, that is the raw material stage, WIP stage, and finished goods stage. Quality improvement. JIT provides a procedure for improving quality both within the firm and outside the firm. So the first point, inventory reduction, is basically to minimize the inventory levels throughout the production process. The second point about improving quality is within the organization and also with the suppliers. Third activity is vendor control and performance improvement. So JIT gives buying organization greater power in buyer-supplier relationship. The firm moves from a situation where multiple suppliers are used to a situation where only one or two suppliers are used for supplying most of the parts. With the fewer suppliers, the organization which buys has more power because it is making large purchases from each vendor, and they can now impose higher requirements on each supplier in terms of delivery and quality. So you are actually working very closely with the fewer suppliers to improve your delivery and quality. That is what activity which is happening here. Continuous improvement. In the JIT system, existing problems are corrected and new problems identified in a never-ending approach to operations management. In the sense, you keep on improving continuously, identify and solve problems continuously, and improve operations. Next point is total preventive maintenance. JIT emphasizes preventive maintenance to reduce the risk of equipment breakdown, which may cause production holdups and increase in manufacturing cycle time due to delays. Means you need to regularly maintain your equipments to prevent any breakdowns and delays. So, lead time reduction. With the JIT, lead time components such as setup and move times are significantly reduced. In the sense, by minimizing setup, in the sense, making time, start time. Initially, when you start any product, it will take some time for you to stabilize in the quality. That time, if you can reduce, that will also benefit you. Then, strategic gain. JIT provides the firm's management with a means of developing, implementing, and maintaining a sustainable competitive advantage in the marketplace. So we can say in simple terms, JIT manufacturing aims to number one, reduce waste and inventory. Number two, improve quality and efficiency. Number three, enhance the supplier relationships, foster continuous improvement, and ensure equipment reliability. If we do all these things, it will lead to our strategic gain.